I told you we were gonna do it this time, man. Wonder where we at, tell them we gon' go. Raising myself a glass and trying to have me a toast. Doing good, I'm pouring another wine. I'm living like I should. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Yeah, that's just how it goes. She's trying to find me on Snap. Told her it's such a bummer. I'm heading out on the tour. All summer, she told me it's all fine. She cool enough to wait. I hope that I was clear. I must have made a mistake. I don't really got time for relationships. Plus my own thing wild on some crazy shit. You don't wanna live life on the That's amazing shit. That'd be amazing shit. Yeah, that'd be amazing shit. Yeah, that'd be amazing shit. That'd be amazing shit. Wonder where we at. I tell them we gon' go. Raising myself a glass. Got money on my mind. Family doing good. I'm pouring another wine. I'm living like I should. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Yeah, that's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Yeah. Pull up, roll up, roll up. They tryna party, come turn up with us. Pull up, roll up, roll up. They tryna party, come turn up with us. Okay, pull up, roll up, roll up. They tryna party, come turn up with us. Roll up, roll up. They tryna party, come turn up with us. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I told you, man, we gon' do this again. Yeah. Wonder where we at. I tell them we gon' go. Raising myself a glass, tryna have me a toast. Got money on my mind, family doing good. I'm pouring another wine. I'm living like I should. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Yeah, that's just how it goes. That's just how it goes.
Labong.
Cut the lights, cause I guess I'm going ghost. Cut the lights, cut the lights. This is really my whole life that I'll be writing every lyric, every bar. If I said it, then I meant it. Fuck that, you might be offended. Get the fuck up out my face. Like what you gotta say? Baby, get up out the way. Yeah, I got bills to pay. I got mouths to feed. Better days on the way. I've been grinding for too long to let it all slip away. For too long to let it all slip away. Yeah, yeah. Let's cut it. I like that. Let's end it right there. Deuces, Ethan.